Welcome to ClipMixAi. You enter the address clipmixai.com. You sign in with the details that, as we learned in the previous video, you enter your email and your password. Sign in and then click New Song. You can optionally add a title. Let's put My Wife and select the genre of the song. Want to choose pop and select the mood of the song. Romantic fits well here. If you want something special in the song, for example, let's add acoustic guitar. You select the duration of the song. And now, we write a few things to generate the lyrics. Let's write My Wife love story for Valentine's Day, for example. And you click Generate. And you have the lyrics. You can change something here. You can delete a part, then you click Create Song. It tells us that the song will cost 60 credits. Ready, you can download it and you can press play and listen to it.
On our first Valentine's night, under stars, holding you tight in your eyes, the world felt right, promises made in moonlight. You're my heart's eternal flame. Every day I call your name. In your arms I'll always stay. You're my love, my Valentine Day. I have what you they.